I'm Imad Al-Arnab, Syrian chef and restaurateur, and here we are in my restaurant in Carnaby Street in central London. It's a book about a successful story, about lucky and happy endings, about Syrian culture, about presenting our community to the whole world. So the recipes in the book is not only traditional recipes, which I won't dare to touch it. It's not mine. It's Damascus or Syrian recipes. But there is also other recipes which is mine. So you're gonna have a variety of different between new and traditional recipes. Syrian cuisine is all about sharing. So hopefully you can use it for your parties, for your invitations for the loved ones, and Syrian cuisine in general. It's very easy and very lovely to cook. This is a love letter from Damascus to London.